Hey, welcome to the Smart Penny Pincher channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a couple of mobile power solutions if you have a Canon Vixia camcorder like I've got here. Now, I use this camcorder all the time, and I use it every day, and I vlog a lot, and it's really handy to take with you. But there's one thing about it that I really don't like, and that's this proprietary plug we have down here. And this is the power input. And so here is what this power plug looks like. So this is a proprietary plug, and it's a DC input, and instead of doing something that made sense, like putting a USB connection or a round connection like this, which is really durable, standard, whatnot, Canon has chosen to do a proprietary plug. And it really aggravates me when manufacturers do this because it makes life difficult. So what is the issue? Well, here's the power supply that comes with it. So what are you going to do when you run out of power? Well, I have two solutions. Now, I've already posted one of those previously, and that is that this battery pack that comes with Canon is removable. You just slide the little clip down and then snap it right off. And so one solution is just do what I do here. And here is a spare Canon battery pack, and this is one that's made by BM. And so I've been using this for a few days, and I really like it, and it's really inexpensive, and it only costs about 25% of the cost of a Canon battery. So that's one solution. Now, the great thing about this right here is that if you wanted to go this route, guess what? This comes with a mobile adapter, and you can charge this particular battery pack from your mobile. And so that's one solution you can do, and you can be completely off-grid as long as you have access to a 12-volt power supply. But there's another way that we can do this. So let's put this aside. So here's how we can do it. There is a cable that you can buy, a USB cable, that has the proprietary input on one end right here. And that gives you a lot of options. For one thing, this is fairly long, and so you can plug it in and you can power it from any USB device. So here's a little battery bank right here. This one is intended for like charging mobile devices. And then if you want to have something more heavy duty, I've got one of these big ones where this is more of a dedicated on-off non-current sensing, so when you turn it on, it just works. And both of these devices will now run your Canon Vixia. And the great thing about it, I've been testing this, you can plug this in, you can plug this cable in, and you don't even need the battery installed. So you could literally be remote charging one of those, either with an AC outlet or a DC outlet, and then you could be running your Canon camera in the background with or without a battery with one of these. So this just slips in just like that. That just plugs in just like the normal one does, and then you can just turn it on, and then that'll run your camera. Piece of cake. So I'll put product links in the description below for both this special cable that runs the Canon camera and this solution right here that I reviewed before. So if you want to see this review that I've already done, including a performance test where I stress test it and I take it all the way to the bottom, I'll put a link up in the corner there, and then you can check out that video.